Hi friends, it's Jasmine. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you what's in my bag. So if you're interested in seeing that, then please keep watching. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to see more of my content. And let's get into it. Okay, so I actually have two bags that are currently on my rotation. The first one is my beloved Polen Numera Nano. I actually did an unboxing and first impressions on this bag, and I'll have it somewhere here if you're interested in seeing that. This is a smaller purse, and when I have this, I usually just have my card holder, my phone, like a lipstick, sanitizer, and my camera. But if I want to carry more, then I bring this purse with me. It's really cute. It's like a dumpling, and this is a dupe of, I think, one of the bags from Bottega Veneta. I don't know. I actually looked up how it's pronounced before this video. I think I'm still not pronouncing it correctly, but I hope I'm close enough. Really like the shape of this bag, and this was only like $30 from Amazon. I literally looked up cloud bag or dumpling bag. This is made out of vegan leather, and the material is really nice, especially for $30. It's so soft, and I actually got my mom the brown one of this one. It's really cute, and when you open it, it's just like one big compartment, literally like one big pouch, and there are only three main things in here. First, we have my phone, of course. This is an iPhone XR. I also have this card holder. I've been wanting this card holder for like 3 years. This is YSL's monogram card holder, and I got the one in all black. I really love how classic it looks. I typically don't bring cash with me, so this is perfect. I also have this pouch. This is just a pouch from one of my sunglasses, and inside I carry this mask. I've been watching a YouTuber on YouTube, of course, and her name is Antoinette, and in one of her recent videos, she talked about having a pandemic kit in her bag. And you know, one of my takeaways from that video is that it's really smart to carry an extra mask with you in case the mask that you're wearing gets wet or dirty. So that's why I have one in my purse, and this one is actually a special brand. This is my friend's brand, and it's a 100% silk mask. It's very gentle on your skin, it doesn't rub your makeup, and this is really my go-to mask. It's not just because she's my friend, I genuinely love this product. So next is the main part in my bag, and it's my makeup bag. I think that I should just call this what's in my makeup bag, because 80% of the things that I have in my bag are in this one. And this is just a makeup kit from Kate Spade. I think my dad got this for me. And first I have my sanitizer, of course. This is from Trader Joe's. The scent is grapefruit and lemon, very refreshing. Next, I also have this facial mist with me. I think this is also Trader Joe's. I think it's their rose water facial spray. I just use this to freshen up my skin or make my makeup look glowy again after a long day. I think all of the makeup that I have in this kit are travel size, with the exception of one or two actually. This is a regular size of Innisfree's mineral powder. I do have oily skin, so this is really helpful from keeping my face from being too greasy. I also have this NARS blush in the shade Orgasm, and aside from the name, I love everything about this product. I think the shade is really pretty. I just think that I could come up with a more creative name. I also have this eyebrow product. This is from a Filipino brand called Sunny's Face. I carry this mainly because it has the spoolie on one end and then the eyebrow product on the other. I think that's very convenient. Also have this eyeshadow from e.l.f. This is their bite-sized eyeshadow. I just really love how slim it is. It's so easy to just slip in your bag. I also have this feminine mist from a Filipino brand again. It's Beauty Library. I've read and watched so many good reviews on it, you know, when you want to freshen up your girlfriend down there. And all the products in this one, I think, they're 100% natural, and the scent is really good. French rose water and silver water iron and apricot scent. Yeah, I approve of this product. I also have a Benefit Gimme Brow in travel size. Next, I have this lipstick from Charlotte Tilbury in a cult favorite shade. Pillow Talk. Just look at the shade, so pretty. I have this pouch with me, and it's where I keep the brushes that I use when I'm on the go. Most of them are dual-ended. I think that's just very practical when you're out and about. And I'm very anal about my brushes. I don't want them, they're always covered. Even when I'm in my room, I have like a big dome that I use to cover my brushes. I just don't want them to get dusty or touch any other products. I don't wash them as much as I should, I would admit to that. But yeah, I just really like keeping them covered. Next one, we have a feminine pad, and if you're a girl, you know that you just gotta be prepared. That's why I have this in my bag. Lastly, we have this ointment, and I think all celebrities, all female celebrities in the Philippines have this in their purse, and it's, I forgot how to read this. I think it's Lucas Papao or Lucas Popo. I think there's a good reason why a lot of celebrities have this, and it's because it's very useful. You can use it for boils, burns, cuts, cracked skin, splinters, open wounds, insect bites, and rashes. And even for your lips. So if you have dry skin, especially during the winter, and you just wanna, you know, keep your skin or lips moisturized, I think this is a good product to have in your bag. And yeah, that's all that I have in my bag. Oh, actually no. I also have a band-aid and a floss pick. So yeah, so I think that, you know, this is not a big makeup kit, but it does hold a lot. And I think I have most of the necessities. And yeah, that's everything. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, if you like this, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!